Mayo musician, thank you. Soul Eater Evans, thank you. Oh my tummy, did you hear that? I'm hungry. Brian Bo da 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 da. Thank you. You hurt my stomach. That's why I don't want you to hear. I need a granola bar. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna have a snack. And then I'm gonna exercise animal. And then I'm gonna lay down.
I've been now at the table view. Push a pull like the night my do. I've been the hardest holding too. I ain't nothing the body.